Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy PUNDI AI on Binance Alpha. As you know, PUNDI AI just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search PUNDI AI, search, and there is PUNDI AI on Alpha. You can click it, this one, and then you can see this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see the 24-hour volume, high and low. And then if you want to see the audit, you can click audit here in the top. This is the audit. If you want to buy it, you can just simply click that here in the bottom. Then you can choose by using instant buy or limit order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.